I love days like this, simple, productive, and peaceful. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruxana, but everyone calls me Roxy. This is my very first vlog. It's gonna be very real, cozy, and very slow paced. I'm unboxing this dinner set. Let's see. I've been meaning to upgrade our dinner set for the longest time and finally decided to go for it. I love pieces that work just as well for daily use as they do when guests come over. I'm gonna give this a quick wipe. Quite happy with my new set. Sometimes home upgrades don't have to be big to make a difference. Every new year seems like a chance to reset, but this year, instead of overwhelming myself with a very long list, I want to be a bit more intentional, work on things that support my day-to-day life. One thing that I really struggled with last year, and I want to kind of make it a bit smoother this year, is after school snacks. Tell me if you relate to that, because when you find those hungry buggers coming home from school. And to avoid this, I'm tweaking one of our favorite processed food, which is sausages, into a healthy-ish version. So I just want to prioritize simple, nourishing after-school snacks. I love days like this, simple, productive, and peaceful. This vlog is hitting quite a few goals for me. One, I will have after school snacks for my hungry daughter. Two, one of my major goals this year was to create additional income through social media, and I will be posting the recipe for the snack that I will be preparing today on my recipes channel. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what one goal you're focusing on this year. Thank you again.